Welcome back, and in this section we're going to talk about deleting our documents. So how do we do that? Well, first thing, let's create deletion.py, and in deletion.py I'm going to do all the same things that we already do. We connect to our client and we find our database and we find our collection and we save them. Well, I want to delete something here. How do I do that? Well, I have a lot of things here. I can delete one or I can delete many. We're going to delete all of these things in an elegant fashion. First, let's just print all the books. We do Python deletion.py, and well, I have all the books printed here. How do I delete them? Well, let's delete this book right here that was published in 2017. So this works very similar to all other methods that we have discussed before. First thing you do is pass there's one method that is delete one, and in this delete one method first thing you have to pass in the query, and that's it. Well, what other thing would you rather pass, right? You're just deleting it. So how do you want to delete it? Well, you pass in the query, and in the query you tell them, well, that the book that I want to delete, its published year is 2017, and of course you can pass in many other things as well. For example, I can say, well, its author is Max Tegmark. So I have said that all the books whose published year is 2017 and its author is Max Tegmark, I want to delete them. And if I run this, I will see exactly the same thing. I have deleted that book. Now there are only 2 books here. Well, what if I want to delete many books? Well, let's say I want to delete all the books that were published in 2021, because we have 2 books published in 2021. As you can see, we updated them in the last lecture. So I should delete both of them. And this will do exactly that. As you can see, there's an empty list here. We have deleted both of them successfully. So this was how you could delete any document in your database, and you will use this in many other complicated ways as well. So that's the way you delete a document in MongoDB. So I'll see you in the next one, where we'll discuss what we learned in this section and conclude the section.